Watch out for the cracked ones on this side.
Got it. Tossing this one now.
Each coconut is carefully cracked to preserve the quality of the meat inside. Every batch is refined and filtered to achieve pure, smooth coconut milk.
Every product is tested to ensure freshness, safety, and taste.
A little further to the left, then drop it.
Got it. Looks secure.
And that's how coconut milk is made. Ikria Ahong 8. From fresh coconuts to your table.